Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well with the grace of Almighty Allah. So one of my friend he has suggested why not we can have one program. So it is just the continuation of the previous program, the previous lecture, we can say, not the lecture, the previous practical. So in my previous practical, what I did it, I used here, I used the switch. Okay, so my friend he has requested why not we can add a motion sensor. So if the motion is detected, so the LED should be on. So I thought of that, why not I can make a program I can share with my all friends and those who have subscribed my channel. And so let's start. So we know how we can take these devices. Okay, we know this is the board. You can take it MCU or SBC, and this is the actuator. In the actuator you can go and select the LED and you can take. Okay, so here you can find these motion sensor. Okay, this is the motion sensor you can drag in the physical environment. So let's start our practical now. So we need to connect these devices. So how we can connect with these devices? Okay, this is motion sensor. Okay, so this motion sensor I need to connect, sorry, this is cancel IoT octet. This is the IoT custom cable. Okay, so I need to select the custom cables, and the D0 I will connect with D0, and here I need to connect with the D0. Okay, so this is now connected. So with D0 I have connected. So my input will be the D0. If from this input D0 it will get any motion, any signal, so what it should do, so it need to turn on the LED. Okay, so I will connect the LED with D1. Okay, you can see I have connected the LED with D1. Okay, so the LED is D1 and the motion sensor is on D0. Okay, so I can just show you, go here preferences, I will show you the port, at least it will give you the idea how can. So you can see this is D0 and this is D1. Okay, now let me write the program. So now I think now it's little bit okay. So let me write the program. So I think my system is little bit slow, so wait. Okay, so this is the program I'm going to write. Okay, so what I need to do it, let me write from import GPIO pin, general purpose input output pin. Okay, so I need to import this library, and then I also need to import the time library. Okay, see time. Let me make little bit big, at least you can see what's going on. Okay, and the magnifier, let me use the magnifier. Okay, imaging magnifier. So star. Okay, now I'm writing. Okay, program. So I'm using the magnifier, at least you can see what is going on. So I have imported import. Okay, let me, something is missing here, import. Okay, import. So these two libraries I have imported. Then after that I need to define the function. So this is the function. Okay, inside the function I need to write the code. So what is the code? So you will see, so the pin mode, so pin mode as I told you 0. So 0 is the motion sensor is connected with 0. So this is my in. Okay, so this is my in, GPIO pin mode in. Okay, this is the input pin. Okay, as I told you, so this is my GPIO is connected with D0. So I write pin number 0. Okay, this is my input. Okay, so simply I will write print command, simple print, and the message is someone is outside, someone is outside, so one is outside. Okay, simple program. And after that, what I need to write, I need to write a while loop. Okay, so I need to write a while loop, true. Okay, so it will run continuously. So if digital read 0 is high, okay, is high, I mean 1. Okay, so what should it do? What should it do? So it should digital write, so it should turn on the LED, right? So it is connected with D1. If you will see here, it is connected with D1. You can see here. So D1. So D1. So I need to write type 1 comma HIGH high. Okay. So D1. If digital, if this is digital, not defeater. If digital read 0 mean the pin number 0 is high, okay, then digital write, so it should also be high. Okay, else, so now else digital write, so make it low. Okay, LOW, low. Okay, and write sleep, so it should sleep for 1 second. Sorry. And after that, so I need to close the main function. Okay, we did it, and save the program and run the program. Okay, so now let me minimize this one and run the program. Sorry for a little bit disturbance. Actually there was some minor errors, so mistakenly I write 2 times, and I imported the time library, but I write time 2 times. Okay, so this was the main error. So other than this, it was okay. Now I will check. Now I will show you the output. Okay, so how you can show the output? What you need to do, you need to press the Alt key from the keyboard and bring your mouse cursor over the motion sensor. You will see the light is on. If the motion is detected, the light is on. So everything is now clear. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. So please don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.